Good morning, dear students. Yes, yesterday we read about pronoun and about the name of its kinds. Okay, dear students. So, pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun that is used earlier. For example, Neeraj is a boy. He is my friend. In the first sentence, Neeraj is noun. Neeraj is noun and he is my friend. In second sentence, he is a pronoun. So pronoun can function as subject, object and complement in a sentence. Okay, dear students. So Neeraj के place पर instead of Neeraj or boy, what will use here? What is used here? He. So he is pronoun and pronoun is a word as I told you कि pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. So I hope it's clear to you. Dear students, today we will read the kinds of pronoun, about the kinds of pronoun, and today we will read two kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. What are personal pronouns? A personal pronoun refers to specific person or thing and its form indicate person, number, gender and case: I, we, you, it, they, etc. So look at the table, dear students, and study how a pronoun changes according to person, number, gender and case. You have to read this table and learn it. What will come in singular, plural pronoun, what are personal pronouns, possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Okay, you have to read it very carefully. Okay, dear students, characteristics of पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस से क्या होती हैं, मेन पॉइंट्स क्या है? देयर आर थ्री केसेस ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. देयर आर थ्री केसेस ऑफ प्रोनाउंस: सब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड पोजेसिव. सब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड पोजेसिव. For example, he saw a cat. Here he is the subject of the sentence. He क्या है बेटा? यहाँ पर subject है. क्या है? Subject है. Okay. तो so he is here in subjective case. Second sentence B. Mahesh met her. Mahesh met her. Mahesh क्या है? Noun है. And met क्या है? Verb है. Her क्या है? Pronoun. So her is used in the objective case. Her is used in objective case. Okay. In the third sentence, this book is yours. This book is yours. So yours is in the possession of something. Is used in possessive pronoun, in possessive case. ओके, इट इज़ कॉल्ड द पोजेसिव केस ऑफ प्रोनाउन. पोजेसिव में क्या होता है बेटा? इसमें होता है द ओनरशिप ऑफ समथिंग. इट शोज़ द ओनरशिप ऑफ समथिंग. इट शोज़ द पोजेशन ऑफ समथिंग. किसी चीज़ का पोजेशन दिखाना. दिस बुक इज़ योर्स. ये बुक तुम्हारी है. सो योर्स इज इन द पोजेसिव केस ऑफ प्रोनाउन. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, personal pronouns have three persons: first person, second person and third person. Yes, you have read in previous classes also. First person, second person and थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन होता है? स्पीकर होता है. एंड सेकेंड पर्सन दैट इज वर्ड स्पोकन टू. किससे बात की जाती है? स्पोकन टू. किसके बारे में बात की जाती है? किससे बात की जाती है? एंड इन थर्ड पर्सन स्पोकन अबाउट. किसके बारे में बात होती है? यस. Okay, dear students, so you have to read it very carefully. So now we will read about possessive pronoun. Second kind of pronoun, possessive pronoun. So dear students, possessive pronoun क्या होता है? A possessive pronoun shows the possession of something. As I told you in characteristics of personal pronoun. So possessive pronoun shows possession of something, ownership of something. Okay, the following are possessive pronouns: mine, yours, hers, his, its, ours, theirs. Okay, a possessive pronoun can function as subject of a sentence. Okay, hers is on the table. So hers is in the is used in possessive pronoun. So hers is used is used here as the subject of the sentence. Okay dear students.